Yes, sir. Ibig sabihin, okay pa push mo. Hindi ko nga pinapasama ako. Hindi ko na pang basahin eh. Hindi ko pa nawasin yung mga ganyan. Wala, lakas lang. Puro lakas yun. Gulong.
It's time to flood the house! This is a perfect time! Quick! I'll turn the tap on! Oh no!
Nakabukong may bubong yan. Yan nga sa San Pedro eh, walang bubong yan sa labas lang. Pero nakabukong dyan. Pero may bubong.
Spot for you, brother.
Where?
Look, if you hide in here, there's no way he'll ever find you.
Oh, there's no way. Right here?
There's no way he checks inside there. There you go, brother. There's no way he'll ever.
Perfect!
Brother, are you okay? Why are you crying,
Okay.
brother?
I'm in the toilet. Oh, yeah.
You know what? I guess I'll just hide in here then if you don't want it. Yo, this is perfect. My head's sticking out. Guys, this is literally such a good spot. I don't think he'll ever.
Umiikot rin, ano mo din yung starter motor.
Oh, maririnig mo yun.
Oh.
Tingnan mo sa page kung ano yung problema ko. Pero yung alam ko, sinaka.
Wala akong makita ng ganun na ano eh. Kung nakikita ko yung pag natumba, nag-activate yung ano niya, hindi mo agad i-start. Pinayo mo agad. Hindi agad siya mag-start.
Meron nga kasi ako isa sabi ng engine na pag sobrang baba na.
Yun nga, pag natumba nga,
Kailangan mo iangat mo siya.
na ano nung sensor.
Okay. Tapos na. Please na like, 5.